Hello, grade 10 students. Good afternoon. So, for today's lesson, we will use this platform so that we can continue our class or class discussion. So, now let's have a quick review. So, last meeting, we tackled about electromagnetic spectrum. We have a play, and close the basket, wherein nalingaw gid ka mo. So, for this one, let me give you a quick review. So, first wave in electromagnetic spectrum is what we call radio waves. So, radio waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation to transmit signals for communication, such as radio and television. So, anything about communication makatransmit siya sang sound, that is what we call radio waves. So, you already know that. That is already sabotable. So second, we have the microwave. So from the word itself, microwave, din mini siya naton gamiton sa pag-heat sang food, 'di ba? Sa oven, nga na. So microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation that heats food and is used in microwave oven. So sa potable, you already know that. So next we have infrared for inang sa mga remote control, sa mga laser. So, infrared radiation is sometimes called heat radiation because we feel it as a warm. TV remote controls use infrared. So, pag huna-huna ka mo dira, nano pa man ayhan natong sa aton mga examples na naka-create or na-use naton ang infrared. Ano pa man ayan. Okay, next, we have the visible light. So from the word itself, visible. So meaning, makita natin. For example, is the rainbow. Rainbow. So visible light is a type of electromagnetic radiation that allows us to see colors and the world around us. So, amo gito siya ang visible light, the rainbow. So, dito sa visible light, we have the Roy G. Biv. That is ang pagkapasunod sa mga colors. So, first, we have red. So, as what you can notice here sa aton demonstration or sa aton illustration, makikita ka mo sinundo nagbawod-bawod. So, that is the wavelength. So, as you've noticed, radio waves has the na naman, mga long ang iya wavelength because the more na long ang wavelength, the more ina siya nga mas na naman, mas hinay ang iya frequency. So, kung ato siya tan-awon, ari diri si visible light. And then, si visible light, ang nag-una diri sa iya dapig, it's the red. So, for all of the colors, sino man ang may pinakalaba sang frequency, sang wavelength, it is the color red, of course. Kaya siya man ang pinakalapit sa radio waves, di ba? So, red, and then followed by orange, followed by yellow, green, blue, oh, and then violet, and so on, or indigo, and then violet, and so on. So that is what we call visible light. Next, we have ultraviolet rays. Hindi ako makalimot, sila ni Chester ang nag-report. So ultraviolet radiation is a type of electromagnetic radiation coming from the sun that can cause sunburn and used in black light. So, dito sa book, iya pagid ato gi-specify. We have the UVA, UVB, and UVC. So for this one, you can scan your books. This is only our review. And then next, we have X-rays. X-rays are a type of radiation that can pass through the bodies and are used to create images of our bones. So, klaro naman tayo kung ano ang mga X-ray, that is very common. And then, lastly, the wavelength or the electromagnetic na wave na pinakagagmay, pinaka-shortest na wavelength, we have the gamma rays. So, gamma rays are a type of radiation that are produced by radioactive material and nuclear reaction. So, for this one, nuclear reaction. So, is there a possibility na magamit natin ang gamma rays to create nuclear bomb? Possible. So, for this one, the electromagnetic spectrum or the radiation that has the longest wavelength, we have the radio waves. However, with the shortest wavelength, we have the radio waves. So, pero sino man ang ara sa tunga-tunga ni infrared, ang tunga-tunga ni infrared and ni ultraviolet radiation? Sino man? It is the visible light, wherein ang mga color of the rainbow. So that is for our review, and I hope nakadumdum pa kamo. Okay? Thank you so much, and let's proceed with the next video. You can proceed with the next link.